One day, Simba, the sun will set on my time here and will rise with you as the new king.
And this will all be mine?
Everything.
Everything the light touches.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Shaw the Lion here. Welcome back to another vlog. And today's vlog, I'll be telling you guys about the history and heritage of Pittsburg, California. So yeah, let's jump into it. Pittsburg, California is a city with a rich history dating back to the early 19th century, and many of its old buildings and landmarks reflect its industrial and maritime past. The Pittsburg Historical Museum, located at 515 Railroad Avenue, was established in 1861 by the Pittsburg Historical Society and a building originally constructed in 1926 for the Coast Counties Gas and Electric Company and later used by the Pittsburgh Post-Dispatch newspaper. The California Theater, opened in 1920 and designed by architect Albert W. Cornelius, was a hub for vaudeville and silent films, and after restoration reopened in 2013 to host films, concerts, and theater production. The city also offers a self-guided Old Town walking tour highlighting 13 historic buildings constructed between 1924 and 1936, showcasing the architectural evolution of the downtown area. Originally settled in 1839 as Rancho La Magnos, the area was once known as the New York of the Pacific because it served as a midway point for schooners traveling from San Francisco to the gold country. Coal discovered in nearby Nortonville in 1859 led to the establishment of the Black Diamond Coal Mining Company and a railroad to transport coal to the waterfront docks. By the 1870s, commercial fishing became prominent with the Black Diamond cannery at the foot of Los Madonna Street. The town was incorporated in 1903 and renamed Pittsburgh in 1911, honoring Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and reflecting their shared industrial heritage. The Pittsburgh Marina, situated at the confluence of the Sacramento and San Joaquin River, played a vital role in the local fishing, canning, and packaging industry from the 1860s to 1957 and continued today as a recreational hub that preserves the city's maritime legacy. And yeah, as always, where the grind don't stop, the tea stays green and the lions stay warring, and God bless the entire world, including Afghanistan. And yeah, peace.